What's going on, guys? Thanks for joining me on another waterfowl hunt. In today's video, I'm out on the river chasing resident birds with my good buddies Dawson, Sam, Matt, and Isaac. Dawson did some scouting and found some birds using a little point on an island, so that's where we set up. We were excited to see what the morning would bring.
Oh my god. Golly. I thought about pulling out.
What are they? Woodies? Yeah, those are wood ducks.
I saw that other group of birds and was like, oh yeah. Alright, quiet it down.
They're going away.
Not resident birds. I mean, they know where they want
I was
to go.
only a group of like 8 though.
Bye bye, buddy.
They're going straight to McKee's.
Bye bye, Bobby.
Straight to
Don't see
McKee's.
too many geese early season.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh my god. Talk dirty to me. Sam, are you kidding me? Those 3 birds would have been dead.
They're going to come back around.
Hurry, come here. We can't shoot over his head.
No, but we can shoot them after.
As soon as they get past me, kill them.
Dude, they're way out there.
We got it.
Hold on. You want to kill him?
Yeah.
We got 2.
3 came in, 2 left. That's a good ratio.
Good job, Sam.
Well, dude, the one was way out
Yeah,
there.
no.
We weren't getting the one.
Here, you want to put another one in that one?
We didn't get scoped.
Here.
What?
Here, take this.
What?
Andy was steady.
That one's dead.
The dog was
Dog is steady.
Oh, can you
I got
make
it.
sure that thing doesn't...
you want me to grab that one or you want to
No,
set it down?
I'll send them.
Okay.
Yeah.
That bird's dead.
Yeah, you got it.
You didn't mess it up though. They came back like freaking idiots.
They did. Those resident
I
birds.
know they saw it.
Yeah.
I'm just a rock. That's all I am. You're like so tight calling. I was like, ah.
Good job, buddy.
That was cool.
Old. Old. Yeah. I was just glad I didn't miss my one. I felt the pressure. I was like, oh god.
One
Here.
over here. Get your pheasant shot.
Here. Heel. Heel. Over. Over. Look at those ducks.
There's teal.
Those are teal.
4 teal.
Yeah, move.
Green wings, I think.
Over. Over.
Thanks for calling those birds in for us, Sam.
Yeah, you're welcome. No problem. Happy to help. I go to make one change to the decoys to help spread them out, and little I hear la honk, and I look behind me and just
Swinging around the damn corner.
that's a nice bird though. A big bird.
Big breast.
Now he's on the line.
Job, Moose. Hey, what time is it? Because you said
8 o'clock.
8:30.
It's 8:15. Yeah.
So that means that hopefully some more small groups will be coming in.
Yeah.
That's the hope. Yeah. He said, "Dad, this big bird's heavy."
Batch. Good boy.
Yeah.
Bring it here. No. Batch. Come on. Batch.
It's banded.
There you go. Hold. Give.
Then I would be mad.
Good job, buddy. Good job.
Well, we just got the first birds in the morning, so hopefully a few more will come in here. Got 2 down, 3 came in, 1 got away, thanks to Sam.
Sam was the only reason I even came in. No one can give me that.
So we just had a few other groups skirt us, and I'm gonna hope that get a few more groups flying, but it's been a good morning so far. Seen a lot of ducks. Big resident birds.
This one's huge.
They're massive. All right, well, we got to pull the trigger. Some of us did.
Yeah. Everyone except one.
It's not. You're the one that decided to go out into the decoys.
Yeah, excuse me for trying to help.
As soon as they pass me, kill them.
Look, it's a croc floating down river. It'd be cool if it was, but I think it's just a stick.
It looks like a croc.
Yeah, doesn't it?
I thought for a second, I'm like, that might be my croc.
That's a croc.
It's a camo.
Where did that come from?
That is a camo croc.
Oh my gosh, that's so funny.
I gotta get it.
When we were setting up this morning, Dawson lost his croc in the mud, and we've been talking about it all morning. And we look up river, and there's a croc floating down from the river. There's no chance that
On
it's
everything that I own, I swear to you, this was not
dude, there's no way that it's his, because yours would have floated all the way down. The river giveth and it taketh. Oh.
Matt.
Oh god. Alright. We're going up to the rapids.
I'm gonna grab that crop.
They didn't even look at us.
They turned hard.
They just went upriver. We need a small group to come. Or some to come this way. Let me see it.
But it is a croc. It's hilarious.
It is a croc. It's so funny.
What was the damn lead goose who's like, nah.
Hey, it fits. It fits, right?
Yeah, if it fits. That's really funny. Oh yeah, give him a couple. Everybody get low.
Yeah, there's a pair to the left.
A bear.
Alright. Hold on. That kayaker might have flared them. They're going back into that cove, it looks like. Yep, they're going back into that cove. 5-pack.
Yeah, I guess those have to be green wings.
I don't see the blue patches. They gotta be
I don't see no blue.
green wings.
Field season, right now. What's up, 16?
16th, yeah. I'm hoping I find some down on the shore.
Well, folks, that is where our hunt wraps up. We had a few bigger groups of geese flying around during the morning, but they were headed upriver and not downriver to where we were. But all in all, it was still a fun hunt. We got 2 birds and saw a lot of ducks, which was cool to see. Always fun to get out and chase some early resident birds, get waterfowl season kicked off. So we ended up with the 2 geese. Dawson's dog Moose did absolutely great on both of those retrieves. You don't really see many German short-haired pointers being used as retriever dogs, so it's cool to get out and hunt with him. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate each and every one of you that takes the time out of your day to watch my videos. We're planning to get out on some more fun adventures soon, so make sure to